Today we have the 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just over 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, driver assistance, our 5 different driving modes, and our settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Towards the bottom of our screen, we have our climate control with heated seats on either side.